Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to learn how to do alignment. We are still on formatting, mind you, so we're going to learn how to do alignment, different form of alignment, text alignment. So alignment means changing the position of data within a cell in a cell sheet, being specific right now. So let's go to the home ribbon. So we are done with the font and borders right now. So to the left of this font and borders, to the right of this font and borders, sorry, you have the alignment tools. So the alignment tools, as you can see, alignment, it spans from here to this end here. So let me go through the features one after the other. This is left alignment, this is center alignment, this is right alignment, this is indentation. So I'm not sure we're going to use this. It's mostly useful in MS Word, not Excel. So this is increase indent and decrease indent and increase indent. Then this one is top align, this one is middle align, this one is bottom align, this one is for heading specifically. Then you have the orientation. So you have the angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical test. Okay, this one is mostly for headings too. Then you have the wrap test. This is wrap test. You have the merge and center. And if you drop down this merge and center, you have so many options of how you're going to merge and unmerge cells. Okay, so let's go straight into this. Default setting of a cell shows that whenever you type alphabet, it's left aligned. If you can see the column manager here, they're all left aligned, but numbers are always right aligned. You can see all these numbers here, they're right aligned, while the managers are left aligned. This is how a cell is. So no matter what you type, if you type alphabet, it will go to the left. If you type numbers, it goes to the right. To make everything uniform now, what I need to do is I need to select all of these. Sorry, I omitted one row. I need to select all of this and go to my center alignment. As you can see, this is center alignment. If you're not sure what this icon are, just press on it. It will show you what they do, like this: center your content, center your content. And you click on it, as you can see, everything goes to the middle. My content now is now uniform. Okay, so that is for center alignment. Now let's go to the heading of this Excel sheet. That's sales 2024. So I also want to make this sales 2024 center aligned. So to make this sales 2024 center aligned, first of all, I want to just merge it first. So I'm going to use merge and center. You have to select the cell you want it to be in the center of. So I want it to span through I. So if I select through I, I'll do merge and center. So it has merged these cells and make it to become one entity, and it has put my heading in the center. It's that easy. Okay, so I have to just make sure it's in the center, because this one covers it, and then they don't need to go back to middle alignment. If you just click middle and center, it's already in the center. It has covered it up. Okay, now the third thing now I'm going to do is to wrap tests. To show you how to wrap tests, as you can see, my column H, best quarter, looks like some of the content of this is being cut off because the column width is very small. To do this, I can actually increase the column width manually, increase it to all the content is out, or I can actually select this column header. I can select the column header. I can just come to wrap tests, and voila, all the content of my cells has been wrapped into one. So instead of increasing the width, it brought out all the content. It wrapped all the content within the cell to make it readable, to make everything stand out. Okay, so that is all for wrap tests. Now there is another thing. If you think that this wrap test is too boring for you, and maybe you want to use another angle method, like make it look weird or look unique, what you need to do is to go to this orientation key here. Once you click on this orientation, you can make it clockwise, and think counterclockwise. You can angle it clockwise. You can rotate the text vertically up, you can rotate the text horizontally up, but they're not looking that okay to me, so I will still go with my wrap text. Sorry, I will still go with my wrap text. So this is counterclockwise, this is clockwise. So if you just want to make things a little bit fun, you can actually use this. This rotate text up, so your text is facing up. Then you can rotate it down, so you read from up to down. Then that is just it for now, but I don't want it like this. I prefer wrap because it's more legible, like it's readable and it's more professional to use wrap instead of angling it to the right and to the left. So I'm going to still stick to my wrap test. That will be all for now, guys, and I hope you learned everything about alignment tools. See you in my next tutorial video. Bye bye.